everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanshika, and if you're new then do subscribe down below and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome back to skincare review videos, and this time I have a very specific and lovely brand with me, that is the Nixie Skincare. They sent me a bunch of their products as you can see on the screen, and these look so promising. I have been using them for a week now, and in this video you'll find the detailed review about these products, the quality, about the brand, and how they feel on the skin. So let's get into the video. So starting off with what Nixie Skincare brand is all about. It is an Indian based brand, so it is made in India. They use all natural herbs and organic ingredients in their products, so they cater to the clean beauty products. These are all paraben free, cruelty free, and also these are 100% vegan, which I absolutely love. Indulging in clean beauty is nowadays a trend, and also it is something that you give back to nature. So I'm pretty excited to share all of these with you guys. And also Nixie Skincare works on different type of skin issues. They have a skincare range that is skin problem specific. So if you have different problems like wrinkles or hyperpigmentation, they have different products for each issue. They literally have products for all skin types. As I have a combination skin, these suited me very good, and also these comes in a very reasonable price range. So if you're looking for something which are organic and actually work on your skin, then you can definitely check out the Nixie Skincare. I'll also link down their Instagram here somewhere, so you can check their products out and also check out their website for more details. Moving on to the products that I received. First of all, the newly launched Glutathione Skin Lightening Body Lotion with SPF 30. So this particular product has an ingredient named glutathione. You guys must be wondering because it's very new and rare to hear such ingredients. This is particularly popular for reversing the signs of aging and also all the free radicals that are harmful to your skin and inflammation, due to which it can cause a lot of dullness. This particular product has a lot of skin lightening and brightening effects. So this one also contains a SPF 30. I cannot emphasize enough, guys, on how important it is to wear a SPF on a daily basis indoors and outdoors, because this can harm your skin. So this particular lotion helps to protect your skin, and it smells so pleasant. As you can see, the texture is also very lightweight. It comes with a pump, and all the ingredients and how to use everything is mentioned on the inside packaging. So guys, it smells very pleasant and fruity, just like I love. As you can see, it's non-greasy, not at all greasy, quick absorption, and feels super soft on the skin. It is a daily lotion as it is SPF. You can apply anywhere, anytime. You guys know I am a travel blogger and I travel a lot, so this is something really perfect for me. I can carry in my travel bag, and it is all organic. The ingredients include the avocado gluta extract, aloe vera, and carrot, which is great for your skin. So it does not contain any kind of nasty chemicals or anything. It's just pure organic ingredients, and it's super good and it's super reasonable as well. Also, the properties of this particular product, it helps in reversing the signs of aging and dullness. So it gives a brightening effect as soon as you apply on your skin. A small amount of product goes a very long way, and wow, it just feels so moisturizing as soon as I apply. Feels really nice on the skin. Actually, I have been using it for a while now, daily, morning and night before sleeping, and it keeps my skin really hydrated all the time. So guys, moving on to their soap range, they have a variety of soaps as well. These are all organic, and first of all, I got this charcoal detox soap. So I have been in love with charcoal products because it has such great properties, and if you feel that there are a lot of impurities in your skin, then these work so great. This is how the soap looks like, and you know, the quantity is quite good. It will last for a very long time. This is 100% vegan and cruelty free, made out of all organic product, and the best thing about this soap is sulfate free, so it is really good for the skin, and also the quantity is good. I think it will last for a very long time. So if you are someone who's suffering from premature aging, acne, dark spot, then activated charcoal as an ingredient is great to cure all these skin issues. And also guys, it smells very pleasant for everyday use, and this lathers onto the skin really well. It contains activated charcoal, vegetable oils, and also glycerin, which is great for skin. So after washing my body with this soap, I usually go in with the glutathione lotion to keep my skin really hydrated. So guys, the next up I have the T3 All Clear Soap Bar. So this particular one is for face as well as body, so it works for both the things. And also this is how the inner packaging looks. It is green in color. Of course, it smells like tea tree oil. Okay, it smells so organic and nice, and it is super refreshing onto your skin. So if you are someone whose body produces a lot of oil, this helps to control excess oil and provides that refreshment on everyday basis. And this one is also free from any kind of SLS and also paraben, sulfate. Nothing is there, no nasty chemicals that can harm your skin at any point. So tea tree oil has antiseptic properties, so it's good if your body produces excess oil, or if there are any kind of bacteria which can cause any kind of infection. And also tea tree is good for removing itchiness from your body. If your body feels too dry, then these kind of products with tea tree ingredient works really good. So if your skin feels damaged in winter season, then this is really good because it helps to combat all of that. And also for your hair, it improves your scalp and remove dandruff, because dandruff is a major issue. So I would be trying this out for a very long time. It claims to remove all the dandruff. I have a lot of dandruff because I usually wash with warm water, which makes my hair more dry. So this is something that would work for that. I'm really excited to try this one out. It's really good and refreshing. So guys, moving on to the last product that I have here. This was the most exciting one for me because you know, lip care is as important as hair care or skin care. People usually don't indulge into lip care routine, but Nixie has something really special for you. This is their pink lips kit, and the name is so cute, and the packaging itself, can you see, it comes with an exfoliating lip scrub and a lip serum oil, which I have never heard before. It is something very new for me. So guys, it comes in a lip combo set that includes a lip scrub that includes berry and shea butter. The ingredients are so good, and shea butter helps in moisturizing your lips, whereas berries are really great for pigmentation on your lips. I have a lot of pigmentation because I wear a lot of lipstick, and also because of that my lip skin feels really chapped and dry all the time. So this helps in combating all of that. And I use this thrice a week. I remember to exfoliate my lips. It's super easy to use. You just need to take a small amount of this and apply on your lips and scrub gently with your fingers for around 2 minutes, and then you can clean it with a wet wipe. So after the scrubbing part, I usually go with the lip serum. I use this daily because it gives a plump effect to my lips, and I use 2 to 3 drops after lip scrubbing. This contains jojoba oil and almond oil, which is great for hydrating, and you know, it helps to repair your damaged lip cells overnight. And if you face any kind of wrinkles because of your smile lines, then this is perfect for that. And the texture is so smooth, and it smells really nice. It smells like berries. So you can also, this one contains the extract of beetroot. Beetroot is a great ingredient if you have pigmentation. I have been using beetroot as an ingredient for a very long time. And this also contains strawberry, jojoba oil, castor oil, vitamin E extract as well. So it's really good for that, and these are super easy to use. The application is super easy. So you can check out the Nixie Skincare Instagram account. I will link on the screen and in the description box below. Also, don't forget to check out their website for a wide range of skincare, hair care and lip care products. They have some amazing properties, and also these are made in India. So guys, do support all of these brands. They are really good. Also, thank you Nixie for sending them across. I absolutely love all of them. And if you guys love this video and you like all my detailed review, then comment down below, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you wish to shop any of these products, all links are in the description box. Until next time, bye.